Really? Welcome, friends of the Greasy Shop Rag. Today we're going to take a look at a 450 Husqvarna. The customer complaint is that it won't start. Well, if you know anything about Husqvarna chainsaws, you already know why it won't start. There's bar oil in the fuel tank. And, you know, this isn't an uncommon situation where people just dump gas in the bar oil tank and bar oil in the fuel tank. It seems that the person that does the dumping is never the person that brings the saw in for repair.
That was bullshit.
Okay. And when I called this guy and told him that he had made a mistake and put bar oil in the fuel tank, his reaction was the same as everyone else's. You know, is that what he did? Okay. Well, if you don't want to man up and say you did it, that's fine. I mean, there must be a certain percentage of people that do this that are the ones that bring the saw in. But on my end of it, no one's ever just manned up and said, yeah, I did that. I could have screwed up. So, I don't know what the deal is there, but it's a silly little mistake. What's the problem? So fixing the gas in the bar oil tank is easy enough. Just dump the fuel out, put some, and try and get it all out. Maybe blow it out a little bit like I did there. Take gasoline, if you left it in there, it's just gonna turn the front of your chainsaw into a flamethrower. Because a little spark will ignite it, and then you'll end up starting something on fire. As far as the bar oil in the fuel tank, I try to get it flushed out as best I can. I don't go crazy about it, but get the bulk of it flushed out, put a new fuel filter on it, and we're going to top it off with fuel. And then you still have oil that's going to be in the line and in the carburetor, because obviously the customer tried to prime the thing on bar oil. Hopefully the diaphragms in the carb didn't get stretched or torn or anything like that. So we don't get too carried away here. We just let the primer do its thing until we're pumping some straight gas through the carburetor. You can see we're in real time here, so it's not that big a deal. 1 pull, 2 pull, 3 pull, it's running. A little smoky, not bad. So the thing isn't really running that great, but we'll get it to run good enough to get it out in a log and tune it. So that's really all I got for you on dumping bar oil in your gas tank and your Husqvarna chainsaw. Pretty easy fix. Thanks for watching. Later.